The Trumpf branded Baumuller Bum60s-04 0854B001 VCAO 001130 is not just a servo motor drive, but a really long part number. This modern version of the Bum60 series of Baumuller motor controls has been produced since the late 90s and is a fully programmable motor control that allows for very precise control over a fairly high torque servo motor. This drive has the ability to be programmed for a wide variety of optional motors, as seen in the software in the video, and also can be programmed for a wide variety of controls for speed and direction. This motor control was completely dead and was repaired by ERD, and as seen in the video, we are able to fire the outputs. Due to the complexity of this motor control in terms of programming, we did not alter the settings if possible. And since we did not have the exact motor, it was custom tuned to the one we had and used an output test on a resistive load for the final test. At ERD, we repair hundreds of models of servo motor controls by hundreds of manufacturers, and as such, we have collected over 100 test motors, but still run into not having the exact custom motor needed for a specific model. Servo motor controls have a numerous range of types and feedbacks, which make having a motor for every type made impossible. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.